When we started the day, we had expected this week to be a very muted week based on the expiry week, but definitely this is not what the case is looking like. If you look at your screen, it's a sea of red all across, barring Nifty IT index that is actually marginally trading with a positive bias. All the other sectors are seeing deep cuts. If you look at the PSU bank index, you look at metal index, you look at your pharma index, or even your banks, they all are being hammered in trade today, including your broader market. So I'll quickly take you through the stocks that are buzzing based that were rather moving based on news, and I will take you through other stocks that are actually seeing deep cuts and the levels that they are trading at. So HCL Tech had hit its record high levels in the intraday trading session after it showed an intent to buy Australia's DWS. The stock had gained about 5% in trade today, hit its fresh record highs like I mentioned. It was a top Nifty gainer at a point in time, and also the company said the total equity value payout to be approximately $115 million for DWS buyout. Next stock that is actually being hammered in trade is Birla Corp. It fell about over 8% in trade today, most in 6 months. The Calcutta High Court restrained the chairman Harsh Lodha from holding any position in the company with immediate effect, and that's one of the reasons why the stock is being hammered in trade today. New kid on the block, and that is Route Mobile, another company that listed with a double the rate of the IPO price, or more than doubles on its market debut. It basically listed at a premium of 105% versus the issue price. So this is after the Happiest Minds listing that we saw last week. Now let me take you through the stocks that are actually declining in trade is across the board. If you see, you have HUL that's down most in about 2 months. You have Marico that's down most in about 4 months. You have Maruti Suzuki that's down most in 14 weeks. You have Dabur India that is down most in 20 weeks as well. If you look at United Spirits, it's fallen about 5% in trade today, lowest to the lowest levels in 19 weeks. You also have Divi's Lab that's fallen most in about 6 months as well. We talk about GAIL India that's down most in about 4 months. You have IEX that's also fallen most in about 6 months as well. JSPL, you have your metal counters also that is being hammered in trade. JSPL is down most in about 20 weeks. You have PNB Housing that has fallen most in about 6 months. So it is across the board that you're seeing a sea of red today. The pharma index that was actually shiny on Friday today is seeing a sharp cut. The pharma index is down over 2% in trade today. So it's a sea of red, and it's not only limited to India, it is also limited. If you see, the global markets are also down in trade today. So definitely not a great Monday for us to start with.